Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here today putting a soundbar on my 4-seat RZR Pro S. I've never put one in a 4-seater, so this will be a new one for me. But basically, shout out to the guys over at Kemimoto. They hooked us up with this soundbar, and I've actually worked with them in the past on some UTV accessories. They've got a lot of accessories: tablet mounts, sound bars, mirrors, lower doors, door bags, a lot of good stuff. And if you guys are looking for, general UTV accessories, check them out. There'll be a link for this in the description below if you guys are interested in grabbing one of these for yourselves. But I'm gonna get this tossed in the 4-seater here and show you guys what that entails. So I'm pretty excited, and I appreciate those guys for sending this thing over. You gotta have a speaker when you're hitting the trails. There's no questions asked on that deal. So it looks like it came with a whole bunch of different clamp pieces and a wiring harness, some decent instructions that I haven't really gotten into yet, but it looks like at first glance you take these and it came with hardware to thread that into the soundbar, and then you can use the other half, one of these guys, and clamp it onto the roll cage bar with that. That being said, I'm gonna look into this, see where it fits. That way I can put my brackets on accordingly and get this thing slapped in. So I'll update you guys when we find a spot for it. All right, got this thing mounted up. Mounting it was really simple. It came with all the hardware needed. Just screws in, clamps around your roll cage, find a spot, and then it comes with a wiring harness that plugs into the back like this. Just a quick connect, plug in. I'm gonna route it up by the cage and then bring it down and connect it to the battery there. It's got its own fuse built into the wiring harness, which is nice, so you can just go direct. I did pick up some of this wire loom right here off of Amazon that I'm gonna put over that wire harness and then route it over and get it connected up to the battery, turn it on, and see how it does. All right, we got it all hooked up. Super simple installation, super simple function. Just hit the power button.
Kemimoto, Bluetooth mode, connected.
And then it connects right to your phone. And then I'm gonna play some of my own videos so this doesn't get demonetized, but I did play some normal music and it does sound really good actually. So anyways, always hard to film what the audio sounds like on something through a camera, but it's probably the best soundbar I've heard, and I've ran a few, so I'm super pumped about it. If you guys want to grab one, there's a link in the description to grab 10% off, and appreciate the support. Thanks, Kemimoto, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye-bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.